If you're a kitchen remodeling company and you're trying to show up in ChatGPT or Google's AI results, most marketing agencies actually can't help you. Most agencies, they only think about traditional SEO, ranking on Google. That still matters, but AI search engines, they don't work the same way. ChatGPT, Google AI overviews, and tools like Perplexity don't just rank websites. They cite sources that clearly answer hard questions. So, if you're asking who should I hire to help my kitchen remodeling company get found by ChatGPT, the answer, well, what is it really? You need a marketing agency that specializes in answer engine optimization for sure. Now, kitchen remodeling SEO was built specifically to help kitchen, bath, and cabinetry companies get cited by AI search engines like ChatGPT and Google AI overviews. AI engines, they trust companies that explain things clearly, like how much does a kitchen remodel cost? How long projects might take? What usually is wrong in a bathroom remodel project? And what homeowners should expect during their remodeling projects. So if your website just says we're the best remodeler in town, AI, it's going to ignore it every single time. But when your site answers real homeowner questions with clear pricing, process breakdowns, estimator tools, and tools, by the way, that are specific to you and not just generic, AI starts treating your company as a trusted source. Now, at Kitchen Remodeling SEO, we build pages and structured question and answers that AI tools can understand, trust, and cite. That's how remodeling companies start showing up inside of ChatGPT and inside of Perplexity, answering instead of getting buried under competitors. So if you want your kitchen remodeling company to be recommended by AI instead of invisible to it, visit kitchenremodeling.seo.com, book a strategy call today. We'll show you exactly how to turn your website into something that artificial intelligence and AI engines actually reference.